How to configure the visual appearance of your Flutter app's overall theme by using ThemeData class. Let's go to our homepage .file, create app bar inside the scaffold. Now let's go to main.file to set theming properties globally. Inside our Flutter app, material app has a property theme. Let's set it to my theme variable and define it inside theme.file. Let's assign the theme data widget to my theme variable because theme property of material app accepts theme data widget. Theme data has a lot of properties to set the theming and visualization properties globally inside our Flutter app. Let's set the primary swatch to deep orange. It defines the primary color scheme for your Flutter app. Set the brightness to light and app bar theme property to app bar theme widget. Let's set the center title property to true, and for title text style we will define all styles in styles.file. So let's define the app bar title text style in styles.file. Let's set the font size to 30 and font weight to bold. In home page for body, let's wrap the column widget with single child scroll view. Column has many children. Let's define first two text widgets. Go to theme.file to define their theming properties. Theme data has text theme property. It accepts text theme widget. Let's use body medium property and assign it to body medium style. It is used for the text of body inside Flutter app. Define the body medium style in styles.file and rerun the app. Next, in home page, define another text widget and use custom styling property to display small. Let's define display small property inside text theme widget for customized style. Define display small style in styles.file. Next, define text field and text form field. Let's initialize their controllers and also remember to dispose them. Inside theme.file, let's use title medium inside text theme widget for the text style of text field and text form field and assign it to title medium style. Now we are defining title medium style inside styles.file. Next, we are creating an elevated button and setting its on pressed property to show my dialog method to show an alert dialog. Let's define elevated button theme and dialog theme inside theme.file and also define their styles in styles.file. Elevated button style has a lot of properties like background color, foreground color, shape, padding, text style, elevation and minimum size. This is for dialog content text style and this is for dialog title text style. Next, we are creating outlined button with snack bar by on press property. Let's define outlined button theme and snack bar theme inside theme.file and also define the outlined button style in styles.file. Next, we are creating text button. Let's define text button theme in theme.file and define text button style inside styles.file. In the end, let's define floating action button inside scaffold. Let's create floating action button theme with tooltip theme. Also define tooltip text style inside styles.file and rerun the app.